Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to the next problem, 25th. Okay, next problem, 25th problem. Which of the following arguments are corrected and which are not corrected? Give reason for your answer. Which of the following are correct, not correct, but give reason. What is the first one? If two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are three possible outcomes. So the data is not correct because two coins are tossed. How many outcomes are there? Four outcomes. Okay, four outcomes. The two coins are tossed. The two coins are tossed. Sample space. S is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. So N of S is equal to 4. This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect, because the outcomes are, how many outcomes are there? Four outcomes. Here one first bit, what is the given? Three outcomes are there. The data is wrong. So therefore each of these outcomes probability equal to 1 by 3. Each of these outcomes means, for example, probability of two head. Probability of two head is equal to how many two heads? Only one. 1 by 4. Probability of two heads. Now probability of two tiles. Probability of two tiles is also 1 by 4. So probability of one tile or one head. Probability of one tile, one head is 2 by 4. How many? 1 to 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. So this is incorrect. Second bit. If a die is thrown, the sample space S is equal to, die means how many sample spaces are there? 6 sample spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sample spaces. N of S is equal to 6. There are two possible outcomes. An odd number or an even number. Two possible outcomes, only 6, only odd and even. 3 odd, 3 even. The possibilities of odd number or even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number. Let E be the an event of getting odd number. So how many odd numbers are there in the sample space? 1, 3, 5. So N of E is equal to 3. So probability of E is equal to probability of an odd number. Probability of an odd number is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. At the given, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. So this is correct. Correct statement. Okay, 25th. So first exercise 100% completed. Next second exercise, optional, incorrect, correct. So here exercise 14.2, the first problem. What is the first problem? There are total of 5 days. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta. Two customers, Shyam and Ekta, are visiting a particular shop in the same week. Two members, same week. The weeks are Tuesday to Saturday. Tuesday to Saturday means this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. How many days? 5 days. Ekta and Shyam visiting a shopping weeks, 5 weeks. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Now each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. Any day as on another day. What is the probability that will visit the shop on same day? Same day. First bit, same day. The two members are visit the shop same day. Two members same day will visit. Same day means what are the same day? Same day means let E be the an event of, let E1 be the an event of, let E1 be the an event of visiting same day. Same day. So what is E1? Same day means what? Same day. Same day means, so here n of s is equal to two members. Two members, each member visiting the weeks 5. So 5 into 5 is equal to 25. N of s is equal to 25. 2 dice are rolled. Each die 6 faces. Total sample space 6 into 6, 36. So 2 members are visiting. Each member in 5 days. 5 into 5, 25. N of s is equal to 25. So even same days means, what is same days means? Even means visiting the same day. Same day is equal to, how many same days are there? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how many visiting days is? Same day, number of E1 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same days, the two members are visiting the shop same day. N of E1 is equal to 5. Probability of visiting same days. Same days is equal to N of E1 by N of S is equal to 5 by 25 is equal to 1 by 5. 5 by 25 is equal to 1 by 5. Next, second one is consecutive days. Second bit is visiting days, consecutive days. Consecutive means azubazu. Consecutive means same. Consecutive means azubazu. Pakka. Consecutive days. So consecutive days means let E2 be the an event of, let E2 be the an event of consecutive, visiting consecutive days, event of consecutive days, consecutive days. So consecutive days means that is equal to E2 is equal to Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, next to Friday, Saturday, next to Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, next to Wednesday, okay, next to Saturday, Thursday. This is Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday. Consecutive days. Thursday, Wednesday consecutive days. Wednesday, Thursday also consecutive days. Okay. This is Tuesday. TUS. Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. Next Wednesday, Thursday. Same with what? Thursday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, or consecutive days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. Next to Saturday, Saturday, Tuesday. Saturday, Tuesday, consecutive days. Saturday, Friday, okay. Friday, Thursday, okay. Thursday, Wednesday, okay. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So n of E2, n of E2 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 8. N of E2 is equal to 8. So probability of consecutive days, probability of consecutive days. So n of U2 by n of S, 8 by 25 consecutive days. Next, third one, different days. Third one is different days. So probability of different days is equal to 1 minus probability of same days. So that is equal to same days. Same days, how many? 5. So 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. So probability of same plus probability of not same, complementary. Probability of same, probability of not same. Not same means what? Different. So probability of different is equal to 1 minus probability of same. This is complementary formula. Complementary formula. This is the complementary formula. Okay, clear? Probability of different days is equal to 1 minus probability of same days. Probability of same days is equal to 1 minus probability of different days. Okay, clear? Next, second problem. A die is numbered in such a way that its faces show the numbers. Show the numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, double 2, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, double 2, double 3, 6. 1, double 2, double 3, 6. Next, it is thrown 2 times. It is thrown 2 times. What is the sample spaces? N of S is equal to N of S. A die is thrown. A die is thrown. The numbers are 1, double 2, double 3, 6. 1, double 2, double 3, 6. It is thrown 2 times. Thrown 2 times. Thrown 2 times means N of S is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. And the total score is into throws is noted. And the total score into throws is noted. Full stop. Complete the following table which gives the few values of the total score in the throws. In the throws. Table. How many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here plus 1, double 2, double 3, 6. Okay. Here also 1, double 2, double 3, 6. The table also given. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 4, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Next 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8. Next sixth one 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 12. The 8 above. This is the fifth. This is the given table. First you complete the table. First you complete the table and do the answer. First complete the table. What is the meaning? Plus. And two dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled. The two dice sum. This is the first dice numbers. This is second dice numbers. The two dice adding two dice. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4. This is adding number. So next complete the table. 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 2 8. Next 1 plus 3 4 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. Next 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. This is the table. What is the probability that total score is? Total score is 6. Total score is 6. Oh, sorry. Total score is even. Total score is even. So let E1 be the an event of getting even. So n of E1 is equal to even. How many even? So 1 in first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So probability of even is equal to n of E1 by n of S. N of E1 by n of S is equal to 18 by 36, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next, second one, probability of let E2 be an event of sum is 6, and the total sum is 6. So total sum is 6. So total sum exactly 6. In the first row no 6, second row, third row, fourth row, and how many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of E2 is equal to 4 by 36 is equal to 1 by 9. Next, third one, at least 6. Let E3 be an event of at least sum at least 6. At least 6 means less than or equal to 6. At least 6 means greater than or equal to 6. At least 6 means minimum 6 and above. So greater than or equal to 6 means 6 and above. So in the first one 7, in the second row 8, in third row 8, in this one 6, 6, 9, next 6, 6, 9, next all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. Probability of E3 is equal to 15 by 36. 3 5s, 3 12s, 5 by 12. This is the 25th and exercise, second exercise, first and second problem. At least 6 means greater than or equal to 6. At most 6 means less than or equal to 6. At most 6 means less than or equal to 6. At most. Next one. Okay, continue the next one. Okay, clear?